Hello friends, Iceberg with Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson, and today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of this killer 2018 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide. Let's start with the engine on this CVO. This has the 117 cubic inch air-cooled Milwaukee-Eight engine. These engines are absolute beasts, but what I really like about these is that while yes, they are immensely powerful, these are very nice and smooth riding engines as well. Whether you're just cruising around town at low RPMs or if you're out on the interstate just romping on it, this thing is a very, very nice, smooth ride. It is a 6-speed transmission and it is belt driven. Let's talk about the looks on this CVO. Just from front to back, this bike is absolutely gorgeous. You have the 19-inch turbine front wheel up front, and in the rear you have the 18-inch turbine wheel, which just gives that beautiful stance to this bike, just gives it a nice aggressive look. On the 18 CVOs, I'm really pleased with how Harley kind of stepped back from going super bright and super flashy with their paint jobs this year. I absolutely love this gunship gray on this bike. I like that the accents on it are very nice and subtle with just the Harley badge on it. I just think moving all across the bike, the way that it looks with that gray against the satin black down on the engine and on the forks, with the nice lava orange accent running through on the rocker boxes. I think that the paint schemes this year on the Harleys, especially the CVOs, they absolutely knocked it out of the park with these. Let's move into the dash on this motorcycle. Up in the fairing here, you have the 6.5-inch LCD screen. This is a full touch screen. It is also glove friendly, so if you're wearing your gloves, you're going to still be able to use it on here. This has connectivity to Bluetooth. You can get your XM radio through here. It does also have auxiliary, so if you just want to plug your tunes into it, that's cool. Speaking of tunes, this has the 6.5 Boom Audio Stage 2 system in it, which is an absolute incredible sound system. You have the speakers down in the lower, up in the fairing, on the back of the saddlebags, and I myself was able to take one of these bikes out, took it out on the interstate, and at a solid 75 miles an hour, I could hear the sound system clearly. This thing is worthy of pulling up into a parking lot. You can run the entire party system right from your bike. And last but not least, let's talk about the comfort factor on this CVO Street Glide. These new CVO seats for 2018, I feel, are the most comfortable up to date to come out of the Harley camp. This seat is just perfect. I like the low stance that it has on the bike. It is a 27-inch seat height on this motorcycle, and I felt that this was the most comfortable seat that I have sat on any of the CVOs to date. Okay friends, if you are local in Omaha, Nebraska and are interested in this 2018 CVO Street Glide, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson today. Throw a leg over it. I promise you will not be disappointed. If you are watching this video via YouTube and are interested in this motorcycle, for an average cost of around $600 in the lower 48, we can ship this from our door to your door. As always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson family, thank you so much for watching our videos, and always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.